Zhejiang Yanpeng Nonwoven Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of non-woven fabric production line which engaged in development and production for many years. We can provide customized such as single beam, double beam, 3 beams spun bond non-woven production line, SSMS, SMMS, SMS spun melt, spun bond and melt blown composite production lines, and other PP, PET, BICO spun bond production line to our customers. We currently supply our non-woven machines to the Chinese market and export around the world. Our equipment is constantly improving under the premise of complete specifications, superior performance, excellent quality, and beautiful color. It can also add recycled material and filling to reduce the cost of products. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, as long as you are interested in non-woven production line, you are welcome to contact us at any time. We enable our clients to produce non-woven fabrics economically, reliably, and sustainably.